I am officially out of space on...
1 minute to the battery.
I bet you it is. If that's the bus they're going on?
No. What kind of funds do they not have supposedly?
We're going on a field trip today to Underwood Farms. Huh? Underwood Family Farms. We're gonna go hunting, kill some cow. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna go pick some fruits and veggies and whatever they're gonna show us the farm. I've never been there. Steph's driving. She's my Uber today. So
where's the payment?
Huh?
Where's the payment?
Your son. That bus over there is actually gonna be the bus that Jordan's on. And that's the first school bus he's gonna be on, quote unquote school bus. That sets the bar for school buses for the rest of his life. Little bit about Underwood Family Farms. Apparently we're gonna pick our own fruits and vegetables. There's a farmer's market and we're gonna probably do the educational farm tour, and there's a farm animal center that has farm animals. Oh wow, people have weddings here too. Apparently this farm, there's a lot of filming that happens there, which is why I was reading through the website. They don't allow professional equipment. They'll probably allow me to bring this as long as they don't see the boom mic or the tripod. I'm probably gonna disassemble it and then put it back together later.
Super well behaved. Hi, bud.
Hi, bud.
Look it. This is hay.
That's right. There is hay. Alright, we just went listened to a very invigorating and entertaining lesson about vegetables and tutorials and vegetables and fruits. Just the kids are going, right?
I don't know. Stay with your buddy?
Yeah, we're all gonna go together.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, parents, kids, everybody with a sticker gets a ride.
Cool. And now we're gonna go on a tractor ride, which is what we're on right now. We're out in the strawberry fields, getting some strawberries. I got my hoodie on because I don't want to end up burning my ears. But I put sunscreen. I just want to make sure it's not burnt. So, you guys don't know my skin's sensitive to the sun, despite being brown. See my hand? There you go. That's good filming. There you go.
One. Right here.
There you go, buddy.
Hold your bag. Mommy's 70. Wow, that was a tough one.
Yeah, it was.
Good job, bud.
There you go, buddy.
10 of these too, okay?
There you go. You got 2. Put it in your bag.
Oh, these are carrots?
It's beets.
Swan's talk. Is it a leafy vegetable? It's a carrot for sure, and it grows underground, so it's
Culinary side is like wanting to answer all the questions.
You can tell it was a fun field trip. It's cool that we got to be involved. Like how I had to say that again?
They were saying it's more like a family field trip instead of a class field trip because so many parents came.
Who said that? So we're heading back to the school now. Trip was cut short because the whole picking the vegetables and fruits took a little longer. We were supposed to go hang out and play with the animals, but it took way too long.
all the way to the back.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, we'll see you at school. One of the many stores that have been hit, it's just shutting down this year. So Payless is one of the companies that have been hit pretty hard by this industrial revolution of the internet age, or online shopping or online retail has had a huge effect on retail in general. Amazon, I think, is kind of killing it, and everyone. For example, Amazon is a savage because they've shut down borders, but then they open up their own physical bookstore location. I didn't even know you can buy dance shoes here. So, and then they shut down Toys R Us because people are just shopping online. It's just crazy. I think the closest thing to Amazon in general, in terms of the online space, is Wish. And it's funny because not the older generation isn't aware of Wish. I think it's more my generation and Gen Z that are using online retail spots like Wish. But it's just interesting seeing how a change in the change in communication and how we consume things can infect and affect an entire industry, from things shutting down or things being improved. I think you guys get what I'm saying. It's just crazy because like these are places that I would go to as a kid. Kind of sucks. I'm not too romantic about it. It's just I'm just wondering what these empty physical retail spaces are going to be filled with next, and excited to see like the continued change of what the internet is going to do with all these other industries. So I mean, take a look at what Airbnb did to hotels, what Uber did to taxis, to me and your face.
It'd be interesting if the retail spaces were I can't think of the word now too.
Renovated.
Yes, if they were renovated to become like housing.
Oh yeah.
Since everything's becoming online instead of physical now.
Yeah. Well, what's interesting, because I was just reading an article on research on Gen Z, their generation's actually getting more interested in physical spaces.
To bring back the nostalgia.
Yeah, like, or it's like for the gram mainly.
That too.
Like whatever, because they're young, they want to look cool. Coachella, these pop-up shops,
Yeah,
the physical locations make them look good, not just like a place. Or the place has to have a really unique experience.
Like all the ice cream places that have cute backdrops that you can take pictures on.
Yeah, every restaurant has to be grammable. I'm not gonna say it sucks, but I think it just makes it better because the people that those customers are then sharing it online, and they're doing the marketing for you, and then you can just share it and on your own social profiles, and that there is this content being created for you for free, without having to spend money on a photographer. I gotta go pick up this new external hard drive because I am officially out of my 8 terabyte hard drive, and I still have a lot of content. Stephanie's paying for it.
No.
Thank you.
No.